What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being... Hey guys, so this is gonna be a get ready with me. It's more of a natural look, what I go for, what I usually do all the time. I do my makeup, so enjoy. Okay, so this is me now trying to concentrate and get a good angle, but then I notice a pimple under my eyebrow. But let's continue now. Okay, and then this is my daughter, Sophie. She's over here. She's always there whenever I'm doing my makeup. And she's over there picking at my stuff and trying to do her makeup. So if you see me looking on the sides or doing something else, it's because she's calling my attention. And she's just touching everything, okay? But anyway, let's keep going on with the video. So I'm pretty much just doing my eyebrows right here and, you know, just shaping them out, shading them in, making sure they're the shape I want them to be. So yeah, keep watching. And then there she goes again, twisting open and closing my pomade. And then she takes it away from me. She doesn't care if I'm using it. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and conceal my eyebrows, make them snatched, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Everything I use is gonna be in the description, so you know, you want to know what I'm using, be down below in the description. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and clean the under of my eyebrow. I usually start off with the top, then the bottom. Other people like to start off with the bottom first and then the top, but this is just the way I do it. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna start doing my other eyebrow and just repeat the same thing I did with the other eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm applying my foundation. Make sure you put it on your neck because you don't want to look like you're wearing a mask. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer and make sure I conceal them ojeras, cause they be bad, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you blend it out right and that there's no creases, so it looks as nice as possible. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I've been having this forever, but it works so good. So I'm gonna use my sponge and put it under my eyes and on my lid also. So yeah, to make sure there's no creases and it looks matte. Okay, so now with the same palette, I'm gonna grab a contouring brush and just put some on my cheekbone and blend it out as well as I can to make me look a little more pues delgada de la cara. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm using the same brush. I'm gonna try to contour my nose. I'm not really big at contouring my nose, but if I can make it look a little smaller and thinner, I will do it. Okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some blush. Oh, you seen that? I'm over there trying to be fancy, you know what I'm saying? Like tap off the X's, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so whatever. Now I'm going in with some blush, a little bit, not a lot. I don't like it a lot, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some highlight. I used to not wear highlight, to be honest. I just recently started like maybe a month ago, and now I can't stop putting it on. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline palette, and I'm just gonna grab some shimmer and put it all over my lid just with my finger. I don't really use the brush, so yeah, with my finger, I'm applying it, and then I'm gonna put the eyeshadow on top. And then you can see that the shimmer isn't so bright and shiny. It's because I'm telling you, I usually just do something very natural. And now I'm gonna grab another eyeshadow palette, which is from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna apply the eyeshadow on my crease, blend it out, and yeah. Okay, so the key to eyeshadow is, man, blend that eyeshadow, blend it as good as you can. You know what I'm saying? Because if it's not blended, it's not gonna look as good as you want it to. And then what I'm doing here is just grabbing some of the highlight that I put on and putting it under my brow bone. Okay, so now for my favorite part. I love mascara. I don't really do eyeliner. I don't know how to apply eyelashes, so yeah. So just mascara. I love mascara. So I'm gonna apply as much as I want. I don't apply a lot either, because it's just natural. I like it more natural, and I look like I have a full face of powder on me. Okay, so now I'm going into my other eye and just applying as much as I can. If you see me over there struggling, it's because my mascara is dry already. I need to buy me some more, you know, but it's still doing the job. So I'm just gonna keep going in till I get it the way I want it to be. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I really like it. Everybody has their own preference to makeup. I really enjoy just doing this natural look, a natural eyeshadow, not a lot of makeup on me, but yeah. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll be doing more get readies with me. And then this is just me feeling myself. Okay, bye bye.